Force is any influence that causes an object to undergo a change in speed, a change in direction, or a change in shape. In other words, force is that which can cause an object with mass to change its velocity. It can accelerate or decelerate. We can't see force, but we can feel and see its effects on different materials around us. Whatever you do, walk, run, jog, do chores, or play sports, your motion can be described and measured. Motion is a change in an object's position in reference to objects around it, which are called the frames of reference. In this image, the house of this family can be the frame of reference. But how do objects move? How can you tell whether something is in motion? It is by looking at its position. In the image above, when the player is already aligned with proper posture, he feels balanced and ready to create motion on the golf ball using the golf club, and therefore, upon hitting the golf ball, it will change its position. There is also a change in position of the stroller as the mother pushes it in order to move forward. Force also affects the speed of a moving object. If you are going to describe the speed of a moving bus, you would probably say it is slow, fast, or very fast. As you can see in the image, a cheetah can run almost 112 kilometers in 1 hour. It is known as the fastest four-legged animal on land. As shown in the images, force is simply a push or a pull. It makes an object change its movement. You see and experience forces every day. How many times each day do you push or pull an object to make it move? You exert a force when you push something that you want to move. Forces can be big or small. Forces can also cause objects to start or stop moving. It can also change the speed or direction of a moving object. The wind and the running water have also forces that may affect us. Strong winds can damage lives and properties during typhoons, while the force generated by the motion of water can also erode landforms and wipe away man-made structures. When two forces acting on an object are equal in size but they act in opposite directions, we say that they are balanced forces. If the forces are balanced, two things may happen. The object is not moving, or it will stay still, and if the object is moving, it will continue to move at the same speed in the same direction. But when two forces acting on an object are not equal in size, we say that they are unbalanced forces. If the forces are unbalanced, two things may happen. A still object will start moving, and if the object is already moving, it will change its direction and speed. The hanging chandelier rely on the idea of balanced forces. Gravity pulls the chandelier down, but the chain holding it exerts an upward force. Let us consider the ball used in a soccer game. The forces acting on a soccer ball are gravity and the force of the player's kick. Because of the force of the kick is greater than the pull of gravity on the ball will move. But when another player kicks the ball, the direction of the ball changes, and if the kick is hard enough, the ball may change its shape or burst. For your safety on lifting, lowering, pulling, and pushing objects, let me share to you some general guidelines to follow. Ponder on this, globalians. Different forces can affect the motion or change the shape of an object. In life, different forces also affect our everyday living. But no matter how these forces negatively affect us, let us keep the driving force within us to keep moving and striving for the better. So, keep on moving, grade 4. See you again online.